Name, fame and money are the sweet fruits of training domain. Gear up for 2025 one-day workshop exclusively designed for trainers and would-be trainers. This would be one-day workshop, whereas I am going to share you the secrets of how to get engaged for 31 days for training program. These are the time-tested strategies which I am going to share with you. Keen to attend this workshop? Text Gear Up on WhatsApp number 8983455885. What we are going to see in this one-day workshop? In this one-day workshop, we are going to see branding for trainers, how to submit your training quotation so that you should get rewarded for your knowledge sharing. Apart from this, how to design the training program, how to market the training program, what is to be incorporated in the training program so that the acceptance would be there. See you on 15th of December 2024, which is Sunday. Utilize Sunday and earn name, fame and money in the year 2025. Regards, Dr. Girish Telam. Best wishes.